everyone, I'm Ginger Arbalada. I'm the COO of Taxumo, and today we're happy to announce that we have monthly subscriptions available for you. As you can see, we have this page, so all you need to do is log into your Taxumo account. If you don't have your Taxumo account yet, you can create one. All of the information that you'll be sharing will be stored in your settings page. So basically, it works as simple as like Facebook, where you create your own profile, and then all of the data or information that you have will be stored on this page. Most of the data that is stored here can be seen in your certificate of registration. For these two fields over here, for uploading your certificate of registration and uploading signature, you can upload them later on. If you don't have a copy of the file, don't worry about it. It will still continue to save. And then you can go to the subscription page. So for today's video, I'll be discussing the differences between the different subscriptions. So these are our new subscription plans for Taxumo. So you have your monthly plan, and then you have your annual plan if you want to pay it annually. For the annual plan, if you compute it, it will turn out to be this will turn out to be 10,000 pesos. This will be 20,000 pesos, and this will be 30,000 pesos. So let's discuss the differences of between the professional plan, the micro business plan, and the small and medium businesses plan. So for the professionals plan, these are your inclusions. So be sure to check out the inclusions before subscribing to any of the plan. So the inclusions will be unlimited filings for income tax return, or your 1701Q, your quarterly income tax, or your 1701, which is your annual income tax, which can also be your 1701A in some cases. Your second annual ITR payment, because we know that income tax here in the Philippines can be in 2 installments, so it will also include that. And it also will include access to filing your registration renewal for BIR. So this is the BIR registration renewal, Form 0605. So it also includes Summary Alpha List of Withheld Taxes, or SAWT. So what is this? This is actually the attachments. We call these things attachments to your income tax form. So if you receive 2307 forms, this is how you submit it to the BIR. So no need to worry about that, because Taxumo, all you need to do is input it in your Taxumo account, and we will submit it for you. And then it also includes the Books of Accounts view of Taxumo. So the Books of Accounts view, if you'll see here on your left side, it's called Books. Basically, these are the reports that you can use if you want to fill out your Books of Accounts manually. This is also used if you want to use Taxumo to be accredited for loose leaf. So the system can already be used if you want a loose leaf accreditation. And then you have up to 2 delegates. So those are the inclusions for professionals. For micro businesses, it's basically the professional plan, which also includes percentage tax, especially for those who shows the graduated income tax table versus the 8%, the flat 8%. So you'll have to pay the percentage tax. You'll also have access to expanded withholding taxes. So these are paid on a monthly and quarterly basis. So you have your 0619E, 1601EQ, and 1604E, or 1604E. And then, aside from including the Summary Alpha List of Withheld Taxes, you also have your Quarterly Alpha List of Payees. And then, obviously, your access to the Books of Accounts again, which again are reports that are formatted in a way that you can copy it into your manual Books of Accounts. Or you can also apply for loose leaf accreditation. If you want us to apply for you, be sure that you're in Metro Manila, because we don't have a team in provincial areas for applying for loose leaf. The process is still very manual. And The fee for that, if you want to apply Taxumo as loose leaf, is an additional 3,500. But that will save you time in terms of copying all of the entries that you need to write into your manual books of accounts. And then again, you have up to 2 delegates, so you can give it to your co-founder or to your staff. And then the last plan that we have is called the small and medium business plan. So this is at 2,888 per month, or if you pay annually, it will come out cheaper at 30,000 a year. Okay, so what does it include? It now includes VAT forms. If you're VAT, we recommend this particular package for you. So you have your 2550M and 2550Q. You also have all of these things that the micro businesses have. And then aside from that, you have your SLSP, which is required of all VAT entities. Summary list of sales and purchases. So these are the attachments that are included together with your SAWT, QAP, and SLSP. Not a lot of people know that you still have to submit attachments, and these are the attachments together with your filing. And if you do it manually, it's on a separate BIR system, or a separate system that you use to submit these forms to the BIR. So that's it, guys. So it's really easy. All you need to do is click on any of these buttons. Please be sure that the tax forms that you need to file are within the plan that you chose. We just called it these for basically to make it easier for you to remember. So you have your professionals plan again, your micro businesses plan, and then the small and medium businesses plan. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on Facebook, on the Taxumo Facebook page, or in our site. We have a chat box on the lower right portion of the screen. So have a great day, guys. I hope you learned from this video, and I hope that you subscribe to Taxumo. Bye!